Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of haikus, those tiny poems that hold immense power. In this video, we'll explore the magic of haiku games and share tips on how to inspire you to craft your own beautiful haikus. Before we jump into the games, let's take a quick look at what haikus are. A haiku is a traditional form of Japanese poetry with a simple structure of 3 lines and syllable counts of 5, 7, and 5. These succinct poems aim to capture a single moment or emotion in just a few words. Now, let's talk about haiku games. These are creative prompts that challenge you to write haikus on specific themes. They're not only a fun way to engage with poetry, but also a fantastic exercise to flex your creative muscles and explore new perspectives. Our first game is Nature's Palette. Imagine a tranquil scene in nature, like a blooming flower or a tranquil lake. Your challenge is to compose a haiku that captures the essence of that moment. Let the beauty of the scene inspire your words. Next up, we have the Emotion Snapshot game. Choose an emotion, any emotion, whether it's joy, sorrow, or curiosity. Then, craft a haiku that encapsulates that emotion. It's amazing how just a few words can evoke powerful feelings. Our final game is Inanimate Magic. Look around you, pick any ordinary object, and imagine it coming to life. Your task is to create a haiku that breathes magic into that object, giving it a personality or a hidden story. To inspire your haiku writing journey, here are some tips. Keep a haiku journal to capture fleeting moments and ideas. Observe the world around you, from nature's beauty to the stories of people. Play with your word choices to paint vivid imagery in those precious few syllables. Thank you for joining us on this haiku adventure. We encourage you to try out the haiku games we've shared today. Share your creations with us in the comments below. We'd love to see your unique interpretations. And if you're looking for more writing inspiration and tips, don't forget to subscribe and join our creative writing club. As we wrap up, remember that even in a world of few words, the possibilities are endless. Connect with us on social media for more writing adventures. Until next time, keep writing and let your haikus dance with elegance and emotion.